Changing your plan on Pix4D can help you access the features that best suit your needs. Follow these steps to successfully update your subscription plan. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Pix4D website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account associated with the plan you wish to change. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select subscription or plan options. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled subscription, billing, or plan options. Click on this to view your current plan details and available options for upgrades or downgrades. Step 4. Choose your new plan. Review the different plans available. Select the one that meets your requirements. Be sure to check the features and pricing associated with each plan before making your decision. Step 5. Confirm changes and payments. After selecting your new plan, follow the prompts to confirm the change. You may need to enter payment information if there is a price difference. Review the terms and conditions, then finalize your subscription change. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation of your new plan. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Pix4D support for assistance.